Hello, my name is Neacsu and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, watch this video, and if you like it, I highly recommend to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one quick little trick that you can use with the rectangle marque tool. It will help you expand your background. Let's get started. Ja. So I have this background over here and I want to expand it on the top where it's missing. For this I will select the rectangle marque tool from the left sidebar and I will make a small selection of my background. Then I will hit Ctrl J to make a new layer with just the selection, and then I will hit Ctrl T and I will free transform it like this and expand it. Enter. And that's how you expand the background. I hope this was very useful for you and see you next time. Ja!